My talk is about psychology, not really computer programming. So I'm coding along, and I'm pretty happy, and then I get stuck. I don't know how to continue with my coding. And actually, this is normal for me. For most computer programmers, it's normal to be stuck. There's this saying that there's a 90-10 rule. Have you heard of it? It means that 90% of your time is spent implementing 10% of the code, and 10% of your time is spent implementing the other 90%. That means that 90% of our time is spent thinking about how to solve problems that we don't know how to solve. This is kind of like writer's block, but if we were to solve this problem in the same way that writers do, by writing whatever comes into our heads, our code would be crap. Some coders do this, and you see their code, they have this little to-do, fix this code here, clean this up. Other coders, I've met these, especially in America, that drink alcohol or use drugs to feel like they're really productive, and they kind of get through it. And there's also people who write like Medium articles, 3 secrets of productivity, the key to effective product management, how I learned to stop stressing and write copy pasta, right? There are people who claim to be productive, but I'm not one of them. I don't claim to be productive. And so when I'm stuck, what should I do? I could, if I was like a really psychologically strong person, go and read the documentation, read code, start to outline the problem on paper, really systematically approach the problem. I could build simplified prototype solutions, and I could use, if I'm debugging a problem and I don't understand why it's not working, I could use state-of-the-art static and dynamic analysis tools, and I could write unit tests in order to isolate the problem. But instead, we have various ways of dealing with this psychological state of being stuck. How do I go to the next slide?
I don't know. You're stuck.
So I want you guys to raise your hands if you've ever done one of these things. You could go outside and smoke a cigarette, and if you find that at the end of your cigarette you're done being stuck, you go and continue programming. How many of you have done that? None of you?
No, when I go to smoke, I always find a solution.
Yeah, well that's what I mean. It's a way of dealing with being stuck, is smoking a cigarette. The other way is to make a cup of tea. How many of you have done that? I haven't. Okay. You could go on Facebook or some kind of news website. How many of you have done that? You could go do push-ups or sit-ups. You could think about changing your career. You could call a friend or your spouse. You could go eat something. I do that a lot.
Eat microwave.
You could go play video games. You could play with your cat or children. How many of you have done that? You could go outside without smoking a cigarette. How many have done that? Well, that's actually pretty incredible that more of you go outside and not smoke than that go outside and smoke. I thought it would be the other way around. You could draw a picture. You could go and drink alcohol. Or you could... And there are people that do that. Or you could smoke pot, and I'm not sure if that's a maple leaf or a...
Now it is today, it's legal to get a
Lately, I've started dealing with... Wait, what the hell is going on? This person doesn't have uBlock installed! Oh my god! Lately, I found that I can have a video of a train going through a train route. This is a scenic route from Switzerland. Maybe I should actually go to some places scenic. But anyways, I switched over to watching the train going, and I watched that, and it allows me to think about things without being distracted by going on some social media, which is good.
Whole 7 hours.
Yes. Well, it just runs in the background until I'm stuck, and then I switch over to it and I watch it. So this is not very exciting, though. 10 seconds. Okay, so that's actually the end of my talk, which is fine. So my question for you guys is, how do you guys deal with being stuck?
Try to get the negative